You could make $10,000 off a project that requires no nails or screws. It's an extremely high profit return and takes less than an hour in the shop. This man has 106 sales for $100.96 each. Open up that case, Howie. That's 10 G's. These are real reviews, all created from roughly 11 8-foot 4x4s. These are pine 4x4 cutoffs from the post planter box that I've made. And all of these planter plans are free too. There's a link in the description. First, I trim a small sliver from the rough end of the 4x4, then cut the 4x4 down to 10 inches. Now we need to equally measure and center some holes. I chose to make mine 10 inches long, the same length as a Subway foot long. I am placing 4 holes on the top and 5 holes on the bottom. One is an even number, one is odd, and they are both different sizes for teaching purposes. Let's say you want to center 4 1.5-inch holes inside a 10-inch board and have 1 inches on either side. First, we add up the hole diameters. 1.5 times 4 is 6. 6 plus our 1-inch spacers gives us 8 inches total. The length of our board minus 8 inches is 2 inches. Yikes. 2 inches divided by 3 spaces we need to calculate gives us very close to 10/16, and that's good enough for this project. Find the center, divide our 10/16 in half since we have an even number of holes, so 5/16 on either side of the line, plus half of our 1.5 inches to find the center gives us 3/4 of an inch. 5/16 plus 3/4 is 1 1/16. That is the center for our hole. The next hole is half of the hole diameter plus 10/16 plus half of the hole diameter, or 32/16 being 2 inches. For odd-numbered holes, you would figure your spacing and add half of the hole diameter plus the spacing plus half the hole diameter. I'll let you guys give that one a try. The math is included in the free plans. With the holes mapped out, I set my drill press to drill a 2.5-inch deep hole and very slowly and steadily drill out the holes. The main take home from this low cost, high profit video is to get you guys thinking about what you could be doing with those scrap cutoffs that, let's be honest, most of us are either pitching or burning. Now, I took some 2x4s, glued them together, left the over spotted of glue, stained it, painted the glue so it kind of stood out a little bit more. That's the one I'm keeping. $100 pencil holder. That guy's made $10,000.